Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, first I want to tell you, Hurricane Zeta, I believe is the name of it. I ain't been paying it much attention, but I do know it is headed this way. It should be here sometime later tonight or early tomorrow. We are not going to get direct impact, but we are still in the cone, so we will get some of it. And they say we're going to get the worst of the wind, so only time will tell how much more damage we're going to have. Sure, it's just going to be a Category 1, but you know, Sally was a Category 1, and we didn't think it was going to do much because Category 1s don't really do that much. Sally tore Pensacola up. We still hadn't recovered from it, and now this one's coming. Maybe we won't get much of it. But I'm just letting you know that because the 10 o'clock show tonight, if I'm not here, you'll know why. But I'm going to try my best to be here, and I should be here. I'm just telling you, worst case scenario, I may not be here tonight. One more thing before we get started in the stimulus stuff. You know, I normally tell y'all about my links. Well, now I've got one link, and that will take you to everything I have. So I know that all those different links was confusing. One link should make it a lot better for you. So check it out. Even if you don't want anything, check out that link. I like the way it works. So be sure and check it out, even if you don't want anything. Okay, President Trump has now said the stimulus package will not be passed until after the election. Is anybody really surprised about that? I'm not. I knew it wouldn't be passed. President Trump now says that he is willing to negotiate with Nancy Pelosi after the election. Okay, he said negotiate after the election. So does that mean if she wants to start negotiating with him tomorrow, he's going to say no to any negotiation until after the election? I hope that's not what that means, but that's what it sounds like to me. Y'all, I've said many times we will not get a stimulus package until after the election, and it will not be implemented until after the first of the year. And also, when we get that stimulus package, if we get it then, that will be the last one. We won't see another stimulus package. I can almost guarantee that. President Trump said that after the election, we will get the best stimulus package we've ever seen. I have to ask y'all, how many of y'all believe that? Would you please put your comments about that in the description and in the comments below? I would like to know what you think about it. Sounds like hot air to me. Trump and Mnuchin are more in favor of bigger stimulus checks. But how do they convince the mooch man of a bigger stimulus check? So again, nothing but hot air. Nothing to help the American people. They're just trying to help the election for themselves. If after the election the mooch man is still there in office, we will see his skinny package. And nobody wants a skinny package but him. They are still far apart on the language of the bill and for funding for the school and many other things. Yet, Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin keep saying they are making progress. But really, at this point in the game, does it really matter if they make progress or not? I don't see a check for the American people until after the first of the year anyway. So they could take their time now. When they should have been rushing, they wasn't. Now with what the president said about working with Nancy after the election, and the fact that the Republicans are now on vacation, you can call it what you want to. Some people don't like calling it a vacation, but I call it what it is. It's a vacation. But if you take those two factors together, we won't get a check until the new year, even if we get one then. Justice Amy Barrett was sworn in on Monday by the Senate and President Trump. You know, Nancy Pelosi tried her best to stop this, but she was not successful. Whether you're for Amy Barrett being sworn in before the election or not, she is now in. Y'all, COVID cases are now on the rise again. For 2 days in a row, we had 80,000 new cases. That was Saturday and Sunday. And now for Monday, we had 70,000 new cases. Y'all, this is something that we can control by wearing masks and social distancing, and all the other things that we did in the beginning of COVID. Y'all, if we don't take control of it, I do see another countrywide lockdown for everything. And if that happens, there will be more people losing their jobs, their homes, their lives, and everything else. If we the people don't nip it in the bud now, we are headed for a lockdown. They're already talking about it in Congress and in the Senate. And if they're talking about it, that means they're really thinking about doing it. So it's up to us to bring the numbers back down so we don't have to have a lockdown. Y'all, I normally tell y'all about all the links that's in the description box below. I'm happy to say now I'm not going to tell you about the links anymore. I'm going to tell you about the link. I only have one link. This will make it easier for everyone, I believe. That one link will take you to everything I've got. So even if you don't want to buy anything right now, go check that link out. I really think it's neat. I'm really proud of that place where this link takes you. I'm proud of it. Y'all go check it out. Even if you don't want anything, I want you to see it. I do have a new cookbook. It's Cooking with Soul. It's all soul food. It's 100 pages of soul food goodness. Y'all please check that out when you're over there. It might be something you want. It's probably my best book yet. And I do know the layout of the book is the very best. It really looks professional. I am proud of it. Go check it out. Y'all please watch the video that's popping up here now. It's to the Late Night with Walter Weyburn show. And again, if I'm not here tonight for that show, you'll know why. The hurricane is coming. I believe I will be here. It shouldn't be that bad, but only time will tell. We don't know. But if you hadn't seen a Late Night with Walter show yet, we don't talk about stimulus over there at all. We don't talk politics at all. It's just laid back fun. We talk about just about everything else except politics and stimulus. I think you'll like it. Please go check it out. If you don't like it, what did you lose? You didn't lose nothing. Come on, go see it. And those shows range from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Yeah, we just have fun over there. I answer questions. You ask me questions, I'll answer them. And just, we have fun. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus. He will see us through this. I know He will. I have a good God, and you do too. He's the same today, yesterday, and tomorrow. He always sees us through the storm. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Until 12 noon today, when I come back for another video, I love you all. I'll see you then. Ciao.